Today on CJ Pony Parts, we're going to make this 2013 Focus ST handle even better with a larger rear sway bar. The Focus ST is a great handling car right from the factory, but there's always room for improvement, and since we recently installed a Steeda front sway bar, it only makes sense to complement it with Steeda's rear sway bar. This Steeda Rear Sway Bar is designed to fit the 2013-18 Focus ST, and it features a larger 25.4mm diameter. That's 70% stiffer than the factory bar, which reduces understeer and body roll for more control. It comes with polyurethane bushings and brackets, and it'll make this Focus ST handle like a champ, so let's get to the installation. Okay, so we're at the rear of the car, we have it up on the lift, and we took the wheels off. Now we're going to disconnect the end link from the sway bar. Grab a 14mm socket and remove the nut that connects the end link to the sway bar. If you try to remove the nut and the stud spins, put a 5mm hex key in there and hold it in place. Remove the 4 13mm bolts that secure the bushing brackets to the car. Pull down on the sway bar, and then you can disconnect it from the end links. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the factory sway bar and the Steeda sway bar. As you can see, the Steeda one is significantly larger. Raise up the sway bar and get it onto the end links. Install your nuts onto the end link. Use the provided grease to lube up the bushing. Slide it over the sway bar and spin it around to make sure you have the grease all around the bushing. Install the brackets and reinstall the factory hardware. Then you can tighten your bolts. And you can move on to the end links. And our installation's finished. Okay, we got our Steeda Rear Sway Bar installed. The silver powder coat finish is looking really nice, and it's really going to complement the front sway bar to make this thing handle really good. Installation is super easy. All you'll need is a 13 and 14mm socket and probably 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.